All right, one day we'll go really capture behind the scene more for sure now, because if I know it's in the happen behind the scene, na very strong matter. All right, so my people, we say now welcome to a very beautiful, ganshous Monday. I tell you, for on top talk we they call them our motivational Monday, but they ask you a question. You don't motivate yourself this morning. You don't motivate yourself this afternoon. Sorry, you don't motivate somebody around you to take feed do better thing. My people, we know say yesterday they do International Women's Day, and I tell you so many things now and go on. But before we will talk about that one, make I tell you, say, not be only me the inside studio. I get Betiana, I get Bernard, I get Amaka, then me, QueenB. This one, not talk. In case you don't understand what they try to talk, they say, this one, not talk on top of Wazobia, channel 195, make you no miss the channel, make you keep on date with us every day from Monday, go reach Friday, from 2 o'clock, go reach 3 o'clock, 1 hour now they run the package. 1 hour now they run them, and every day getting own team. But today, now motivational Monday. My own name still remain QueenB or Balu.
Yes, based on the motivational Monday things with QueenB, they talk. I talk for morning show today, and I go talk this afternoon again on talk. You know, so we get millions of women all over the world, and even inside the Nigeria. But then say on top Forbes list, now just 2 women now you make the richest women for inside the world. So what in you and I they do to make sure say our name go join body put for inside that list one day. On that note, my name still remains Betiana Unweli.
And well, as you know, now maybe the only guy where they join the women, they handle all of them, make sure, then they casually and wildly. My name is Bernard, handle, to answer better questions, so which one I don't do, well, me, I know say, I don't support
Bernard, you not
women.
be woman, and they ask the women.
Yes,
you don't get right to answer that question.
Blessed
Next,
is him.
Please.
All right, hand it over. Continue from where she stopped. When I go see come back, come with me, no worries.
I don't got a long story to talk about. People now, good afternoon. My name is Amaka, and yes, I talked something last week where I talked say start by laying your bed to do the right thing. This morning I lay my bed, so I know say my day. My day already started this week.
No. So who?
Okay, my week.
You're not supposed to start with only yourself, Amaka.
We tell you, so when you lay your bed, make you go lay other people's bed.
I start with my own today.
So
okay,
tomorrow I'll start with my sister own.
Okay.
Tomorrow I tell my mama own.
Okay.
May I give you my room key?
No.
You have to give a house address.
Lay my bed, enjoy.
All right, so my people, now on that note, now we take talk. Say welcome to Talk. In case you want to join body with us or you get what you want to talk, why not? If not, my people, you still get the opportunity. Make we talk together, because not be only we go talk this one today. Join body with us at Talk for Wazobia. Go there, make you go put on for there as it's supposed to be, because we get different things. So we can give you, we get our stories where they trend, or one carry consult you. We get the video to motivate you this afternoon. We get our motivational quotes where we go bring to you. I tell you, you know, go on take last seat for this one.
Auntie-I. Yes, you don't get our own pals in our Facebook page on top.
Oh, yes!
So when you go there, when you go like our page.
And our Facebook page now.
Talk Wazobia.
Yes. So anything we post for here, you anything where you see for here or anything we'll talk for here, it go also there on top of our Facebook, so you get the opportunity. All right, I won't start by this one. We won't start by the International Women's Day we happened yesterday. We drop some kind voice for you so that you go feel understand what we talk about. Our producer go sunshine with this one right about now. Now Women's Day now they talk about, and you know, say yesterday maybe 8th of March. Now they don't make sure say a day gunshots for town since 1975. 9 United Nations already put them down. Say okay, now this day we're gonna actually celebrate women so that we go there equal, because the work what they even do for us, it pass those men where they go outside, go they hustle for us to bring all those things. Because if the woman no actually keep the house, I tell you, chaos go there for the society. That's why they don't already put this one for there. But they list so many people names where, you know, whether they celebrate for Nigerian, but we will try to celebrate the normal Nigerian woman. Because I don't go talk, I don't go say the what's in be that language where we talk say Yemi Alade talk again. Ordinary, so Messi Johnson, ordinary Nigeria, where they celebrate the farmer, We they celebrate that market woman where they sell tomato for your streets. We they celebrate that woman where they hawk pure water. We they celebrate those women where they market they plait hair, because those ones too now women, because they play their own part for we society.
I no celebrate the one where they say abacha come. I be a customer. I bet truth or celebrate them.
Yes, we they celebrate those women where they hawk. We they celebrate those women where with pregnancy they go back picking. They go back picking for back and do all those things. So we they celebrate you. Every woman where they out there we actually don't touch somebody's life, even if now you're picking your neighbor. I tell you, we they celebrate you now because of you. Now in this one take happen. All right, so my people, we want to move to our story where they make everything they hot for us for we obodo Naija. And for talk, you know, say we know they always carry last, so they bring them to you as it's supposed to be. And I know, say my people don't ready to talk, because people like Betiana, she don't carry her face stand gidigba. To say today, not today. Why your face strong like this? We call her motivational Monday. We not talk to me you frown face.
We don't call her strong Monday.
Strong Monday.
Strong face Monday.
All right, so the first story what we get today, we talk about, yes, so the mama herself, the angel, the diva, the momsy, the auntie, the lady of the
all of them are join hand. That's happening.
Of the Maven Records. Yes, we're going to talk about Tiwa Savage. We know say the AMVCA will take place on Saturday for Nigeria. Yes, so I tell you, we know here what I see some kind of dressing. I'm afraid of catching me. We'll talk about that one maybe on Thursday. Later. All right, so Tiwa Savage missed for the Maven crew we go for there. But me, I understand saying that people were actually the art movie now ain't supposed to go there. I don't understand why artists, even though not the same field then they, but everybody get us they do your own. So
actually, that AMVCA, they want to turn on to Nigerian Oscars. You know, so when they do the Oscars now, still for movie people, but the whole entertainment industry.
Yeah, but still,
show support.
But if they want to turn on to Oscar, that means the Nigerian artists to go start to the act movies. Because if you look at
they act already.
Like which people?
Genevieve they act.
Okay,
and she they
sing.
She don't end her career of singing.
No, not talk. She never come out conference. She did break.
All right, what thing happen? We say, Tiwa Savage, you know the red carpet. People know see her. People come they wonder say, what thing happen, Mrs. Tiblis? We have not seen you in this AMVCA. What thing happen? Da, 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 da. And what thing happen? Tiwa Savage just think and say, man, Pampers, it don't cost for market, and I got to go hustle to make sure say I don't prepare for this baby when they come back. What did Tiwa Savage do? She carry herself go Uganda. To go perform for there, so that every Osusu go complete now. Like, he got to complete everything. Got to, no, serious. The woman got to see International Women's Day, and she got to travel with pregnancy, not minding say, oh, 9 months. You know, saying at this moment, some go say, ah, your leg don't they swell up, your waist they pay you. Why you no go rest? But God help her do one, because some people they will say from day one when they get belly, they go down the hospital till the day where they go drop them. But God give this woman power. So she decided, say, you know what, instead where I'll go snap picture where people go still abuse me, why not, if not, make I go Uganda, go hustle for money. But what's in our ask? So yeah, if now my ladies, because I bet you now. If now you
study for your dream, I don't understand again.
So that your face goes soft, small.
If now you Betiana, you go instead of the Nigerian awards and the Ugandan one, not minding say you did you don't almost reach 9 months because we don't actually know the month where she did.
If I look at you,
yes.
If I look at you,
I know this one started they see pregnancy from the very first day.
We see pregnancy, we know as woman. I tell you, I will tell you the day when you get the belly.
They send on Monday morning.
That's wrong.
All right, so I want to ask now this question: if now you Amaka or Betiana or Akedi, aka Hand, if now say instead of the pregnancy, if now you as a man say your wife get belly, and the one where they in Nigeria will be say she could just go back, come back. Which one you go prefer? And the one to go Uganda go?
If they go Uganda, if I go Uganda, I must follow and go.
Oh, definitely, because I am their manager.
I will definitely follow and go. She will go to Uganda, go perform. But it depends on. And you say I tell you, I feel look woman, I know as a baby. Okay. It depends on how many months that belly don't reach. So I say, baby, dress come. If she dress come, I go look the belly. The belly don't too much, sure, go sit down for us. This guy where I see inside, the guy don't the ginger, go sit down. But if I see the picking, because we are twins, that be my first shot. I wait for my twins.
All right, thank God you get this one.
If I see say my twins, they're still young, they still play up and down. I feel let them go aside. After all, like you talked earlier now, nobody also on top, now be fine. Yeah. Because just like you talked before, she will go the awards, go red carpet. She goes, see how better and they take strong eye, they look me. She will go the awards, go red carpet. But the red carpet, they will say, the dress too long, the sleeve too short. This one do this one do that. But she leave all those ones, go there, go perform. And I sure say her bobo they there, they give her moral and spiritual support for the back. That's what me say go do am. But really, if first of all I go know her health position, I go know as her body take be. If I know say my wife no get that kind of body, go abroad, go perform, I go say make she not go.
Yes.
But if the pikin don't too taste, they don't reach like that kind of 5 months, 6 months, they go front. I don't look and take infrared, I look and say it don't too they go, make she no go. I'll tell her make she no go. When pikin still young, she get the power. For her family, power the plenty. She get the power, I don't give her power. Why not?
Where the power you give him?
You want to
give him power you give him.
You want to
But truly, you make point. You make point. If you look yourself as a woman, look yourself. You know, say okay, the belly, the time where you don't time not they reach, make her take time they calm down. So kind of strenuous things you know go fit do. Although I hear say when they don't reach that period, they will tell me they climb step 10 times before they go do labor.
They won't spoil the step.
With the pregnancy.
But if you see her, she take the bubble for the stage and everything. She
like
really,
fresh palm wine. Just
she really come out well. But personally, if you ask me, I go rather go for the one with the hair.
Why?
If at all I must go.
Why?
I know myself.
Okay.
Personally, I need to make it say, go know yourself. Know whether you fit travel with the belly, do some kind of stunts with the belly. But I know myself. I go square maybe say I did my country. I did my hood.
Your backyard.
I did my backyard, exactly. So anything will just happen like this.
You just open back the house.
I just shift, go the other side. As in, no stress. I don't like that for myself. So personally, I just feel say, yes, so I go there. I no go that Uganda. Even if I don't go the AMVCA, I will sit down for my house now. I go watch her.
How else you want to complete? Because now they
you.
work
That was
with
what I ask just now. Because when you sit down for house, I wonder how the money to take care of the pikin or to even born the people. Your husband will do.
Her husband, I work with the people that she be work with the husband they do.
I look and say Nigerians like to drink agbo for another person's sickness. You don't forget saying that she gets her inside body. She know as they do am. She know say she won't get belly. She go love her pikin before you go help am love her pikin. She go don't do the necessary arrangement to make sure say okay, this thing I won't go do. It no go affect me or affect the pikin where they carry for inside my belly at all. And maybe don't forget say people like Beyonce don't do am for the past where they say them perform with their belly.
Yes, so
it don't affect anything. J-Lo don't do am. So it don't affect anything because those people that go don't look and say okay, make I actually check to make sure say it no go affect my pikin. Sisterly, bills must be paid.
Yes.
And if still bills is not paying the bills will still be paid.
Well, for me, like what she talk, if Tiwa is not they pay the money, Tiwa Savage got to pay because now modern day we did now. We know they wait for father to come pay him. I tell you. And again, Tiwa is now Tiwa work. Be in own work because now manager he be. So 50-50. They go don't look at. And again, what's in the fee afford to go with their doctor? You understand? Doctor go follow. Yeah, doctor go follow her go.
Because I look at another way, like you say, okay, my husband. T-Bill's not the husband.
Yeah,
and make we as if for him himself, suppose don't follow him. I don't know that he follow him, but he suppose don't follow him. And whether he follow him or he no follow him, if he fear afford him, he go don't talk say no go. So you understand. So even if she decides say okay, T-Bills no go manage me again and she get new manager, T-Bills still if you not say the money plenty like that, he go tell him, he get the right to say you know what thing, I don't want you go for this show.
Okay. Yeah, yes.
We see ball and same thing. If you know yourself, if you don't go see your doctor, you know yourself. You go.
Even self, if you still carry all right, on top of the motivational matter now, we still there. I tell you, women self know they take back seats like yesterday they celebrate us. Naim make way we self still celebrate this woman. Say you get the muscle, say
get the mind.
Even with the pregnancy. And I go to shake. No, and make sure say bills they paid. My people, if I want to join mouth and I still get the opportunity, when I go on top of Twitter at Talk for Wazobia.
Facebook, Talk Wazobia. We don't get our own page.
The Facebook, they actually shout Betty and pass me, even though I like today for Facebook. All right, we could move to our second story. This one will really touch your mind. They say 10-year-old girl Esther don't become math genius. We get small video. We'll go show, but Ben had been asked one question before. He said, as she writes the exam, why she no go write jam? Now we can't remind and say no before Nigeria this one happened. When they come back, we could work that shaking video.
I just love math. All the numbers and the solving is like a mystery.
So, how are you finding your degree?
It's easy.
It's easy?
Super easy.
So, how quickly do you think you're going to do it?
I was thinking about 2 years.
Fantastic. So, what do you want to do when you finish your degree?
Well, I'll go to my PhD And then from there, I'll start running my own business. I want to be a banker.
So you want to be running your own bank?
Yep.
And how old do you think you'll be when you do that?
16 or 15.
Wow. I'm very catchy. The girl say something must say be like mystery.
See,
Very
you
simple.
see,
What think her mama eat when she get belly?
You see, no, we say, now this kind of people, they make vest, they catch me. If 10 years old picking, they solve maths, don't they do in degree? This guy, your mark will watch, go, they draw your ear. This is why they draw your ear, they don't call your name, they'll call your native name. This is why they call you Bernard, they'll say, hey, Gio Bombe. Hey, Mulwali, what do they do when this 10-year-old guy, they solve maths, they do degree, you did here, you did at 15, you don't do jam 3 times. They don't give you complimentary t-shirt, I love jam. 15 days, don't they do degree. More than the suffering, 10 years old. Mama, why you give her that kind of work, may go solve?
Nobody can say she like
Why
her.
all the hate, though?
I beg. Come on for
You make me speak English.
I beg, come on for
Well, man.
I beg, I'll ask you this question. What do you want to think about this speaking? Seriously,
For me, QueenB, he did very amazing. When they showed the video last night, just they look like...
I open mouth.
Really? Because person like me, I hate maths. Everybody around me knows I hate maths. I hate and so I fail them. No. Don't be something where I go hide because, I fail and I write some and I pass eventually. But I hate maths, so I fail maths. Now, so he bad reach. Like, for every time for when I did school, university, you get this maths course where we do statistics. We're not because we did the same department. Statistics from 100 level reach 300 level. I did carry statistics every semester.
And so like a norm to you.
It can't be like, no, but God save me, because if I fail on 100 level, I can't pass 100 level for 200, but 200 level on, I can't fail them again. Now God save me, say, the final year on, I know fail them. If not, I extra year that one for enter.
Who you copy?
It no concern. But for me, this speaking is very amazing. And I love the way the society and the parents they support the Peking, because if you look at you can help them calculate the degree which they do now, join the PhD. Before you know, she could be the youngest banker in the world.
Yeah.
At the age of 16, she could not be banker because she won't be banker, and it is very amazing. Because I remember the time, my time when I still did second, when I about to enter secondary school, I was like 8, and my parents they talk say, she's too young.
I can imagine how you be like that. You be like bed.
You know, consigned. I was a brilliant child. But you know, if I don't enter secondary school at that age, not be waiting with the talk now before they talk. If I don't go further than this, well, I know they regret them, but they talk for future parents in that motivational Monday. If you get picking them, way be said, then this smart, and they call them whiz kids, then they're very intelligent. Not slow them down. No be star boy. Not slow them down to say the picking too small. My small picking, I just go to do this, because at the end of the day, now your own pride they go enter. True.
Because right about now, I don't. Before I come out from school, you go and get enter JS1. The girl enter age of 8, JS1. I don't come first S3 that time. When I see the pikin, I say, how you go allow your pikin 8-year-old come boarding house? As in JS1.
Primary school, boarding school day.
Yes,
I know, but as in, I dey feel and say this child, you too young let and go. And where I school, it's inside bush. So I just dey imagine why you go put that pikin inside, you know now. But right about now, she just talk am. It go make brain. If your pikin gets sharp brain, I beg, make it start to the learn. Put am for the right track. As this pikin now, how old she be? 10. She don't na degree we hear. Degree.
You don't talk about PhD at the age of 10.
I want to do my PhD. Then I want to be a banker. It's very easy. I beg, if I get that kind of picking, I don't go wasting time. If she just starts, now triple promotion she dey get. Make she just go. Make she don't go hold them down at all. Let her brain just
you see, a man does not live by bread alone. They only tell us, they tell us say she dey solve maths. They don't tell us that she do social studies. They don't tell us that she do intro tech. We don't know that she dey fail all those ones. Now only maths, now she dey do. But make I no lie, the girl impressed me. At age of 10, she dey solve the YDX.
You are just a hater.
Where you dress?
I don't dress finish. Go to the space where I give you.
The girl is very good. I don't go lie. You get the calculate. Small, she won't take resemble me, but they get it different. No, but not very.
But me, they talk as like this. When I feel say now, like when picking down they crawl. When picking on the crown, parents supposed don't notice say this picking they very different or it get any extra thing.
Well, QueenB, make I explain something to you. What's something I don't understand. My brother picking his first. My brother get 2 children, a girl and a boy. The girl, I don't know from the way they begin they train the girl. Even before them born the girl they born and premature. When they don't know that premature, they go born. My brother and his wife, they go internet, don't they check everything about premature babies. as they born the pikin, they still they go internet check how to train the pikin. They still they check how, you know, to school the pikin. So it all depends on the way you bring up the child. Then the child go learn. The kind of toys where they buy for your children self matter. Some people go say, you know, matter, buy toys gonna give them that lie. The only kind of toy they buy, if they buy play mats, they will put ABC on top. As they match them, they learn something.
All right, so my people, now on top of the motivational thing, now we still there. You get opportunities before we go break, come back. Make you go on top Twitter, talk the one way concern you for there, the one way you feel say they interested. If you talk about the first one, we talk about Tiwa Savage, we go Uganda, go perform with a heavy belly. Or you want to talk about the 10-year-old girl we don't solve maths, we can they think about PhD at the age of 10. No knock your picking for head. We they come back with the video of International Women's Day. The people where we actually they celebrate on top of Talk today. We they come back.